Fashion's the #1 most purchased category online across the world every single year. The global online apparel market was worth $779 billion in 2025, and it's projected to hit $1.84 trillion by 2035. People are buying clothes online at a rate that's never been seen before. And TikTok alone is turning fashion into an impulse purchase machine. Here's the problem with how most people get into this. They think they need a warehouse, a manufacturer, thousands of dollars in inventory, or months of planning just to put a label on a hoodie. And that used to be true, but it's not anymore. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I build a fashion brand from scratch in 2026. With no inventory, no minimum orders, and no upfront capital just sitting in stock. Just products, a brand, and a platform that handles the rest for you. We're gonna cover why fashion dropshipping is one of the biggest opportunities in e-com right now, the platform I'd use to source over 100,000 different pieces of clothing, how to put your logo on every single product without ordering in bulk, and how to actually get this off the ground and start making money. This will be the only guide you ever need for this. So let's get right into it. Let's start with the opportunity, because I think a lot of people underestimate how big this really is. Online fashion is not slowing down. This isn't a trend. It's actually a shift in how people buy clothes, because almost half of all the fashion purchases last year happened online. And by the end of this year, this is expected to be well past 50%. That means more than half of all clothing sold on the planet will be bought through a screen. If you're not in this space yet, you're just watching this market from the sideline, because now's the best time to get started. Now with fashion dropshipping specifically, this is why it works. There's zero inventory involved. You list products, your customers buy them, and your supplier ships them. You never touch a box, you never buy stock in advance, and you never get stuck holding 200 hoodies that just didn't sell. But it's also high demand and evergreen. Fashion trends change every day, and this sounds like a problem, but it's actually an opportunity, because the platform I use lists 3,000 new styles every single week. So that way you always have products to choose from. And with fashion, you have a very wide product variety. You have t-shirts, dresses, denim, hoodies, coats, suits, sweaters, pants. You can niche this all into one category, or you can sell different categories across your store. It's all up to you. But the products you guys can offer is pretty much unlimited. Then of course you have branding opportunities. This is what separates stores that feel like a real brand from stores that just feel like a generic dropshipping store. This is where you put your logo on your products, on your packaging, on tags, and everything else. We're gonna spend a lot of time on this. And of course we have to mention TikTok, because fashion is TikTok's #1 category. Last year, 67% of TikTok users said they were inspired to buy something that they saw on the platform. It's never been easier to scale a fashion brand than it is right now, and you don't even need a big budget to get started. So the opportunity right here is real. It's just up to you to take action. And this all starts with the actual platform that you're building on. Now the platform I use for fashion dropshipping is called EPROLO. EPROLO is a dedicated dropshipping platform that's been in the e-com space for years now. They specialize specifically in fashion and apparel, and here's what makes them stand out. First, they have over 100,000 styles. That's the catalog. T-shirts, dresses, hoodies, denim, coats, suits, sweaters, pants. Every major fashion category you'd want to sell on here is represented. And they add over 3,000 new arrivals every single week. So you're not working with a stale catalog. This thing is constantly being refreshed with what's actually trending. Second, it's 100% free to use. There's no monthly subscription or upfront fees. You sign up, connect your store, and start listing products. This business model works because EPROLO makes money when your supplier ships the products, just like any supplier relationship. But from your end, there's no platform cost to get started. You just have to pay for your orders as they come in. And third, it integrates with every major platform out there. Shopify, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, Wix, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shop Plaza, Shop Online, whatever you're selling on, EPROLO connects to it. One platform, one catalog, and you can sell everywhere. Fourth, and this is a big one, custom branding. This is what turns a dropshipping store into a real brand. And unlike every other supplier out there, with EPROLO, there's no minimum order quantity. You don't have to bulk order any of your products. We're gonna go a little bit deeper on this topic in just a minute because it's that important. But fifth, EPROLO has the best return policy out of any supplier out there. They have a 7-day, no questions asked, return and exchange policy for apparel. They have a very easy return process with no restocking fees. That way your customers are always happy. So that 7-day guarantee is something that you can put on your store and actually mean it. So let me show you how all of this actually works. So this is the EPROLO product catalog. On the left, you'll see the main fashion categories. Let me click through a few so you can see exactly what they offer. So right here's your t-shirts, basic graphic tees, oversized fits. This is your volume category. High demand, easy to brand, and very easy to market. Then you have your dresses. This is a huge category for women's fashion stores. EPROLO has everything from casual day dresses to occasion wear. Next up, we have our hoodies and sweaters. This is a viral fashion staple right now. You have oversized fits, couples hoodies, statement pieces, all trending heavily on TikTok. Then we have denim. This is one of the most searched categories online. Wide leg, straight leg, barrel leg, all trending silhouettes are in here. Then you have coats, suits, pants for anybody building a more elevated or professional fashion brand. And remember, there's over 3,000 new items added every single week. So even if you're in this catalog every single day, you're always gonna find new products to test. So how do I know which products to actually list on my own stores? Here's what I look for. Number one, high demand styles. What's trending on TikTok right now? Or in other words, what products are being featured in all the different try-on haul videos? Once I find that, I go ahead and source the product right on EPROLO. Next up, I want to pay attention to the actual price point. I want to find products that I can increase the price by 2 to 3 times the supplier cost and still sell it competitively. And then you want to pay attention to the product photo quality, because all the images you use on your store actually matter. You don't just want to be posting AI slop. You want to be looking for clean, lifestyle images of people wearing these clothes. So to connect your store, whether you're selling on Shopify, TikTok Shop, or anywhere else, you're going to go to integrations and it walks you through a simple authorization process. Once you're connected, listing products is essentially one click. Once you find a product you want to sell, you click import, it pushes the product title, description, images, variants, and pricing directly to your store. And then you can edit everything before it goes live. You can adjust the title, tweak your descriptions, and set your retail price. And the order fulfillment is automatic too. When a customer buys from your store, the order gets routed to EPROLO, they pick, pack, and ship directly to your customer. And you get all the tracking information back. And throughout this entire process, you don't touch any of these packages or deal with any of your customers. EPROLO handles all of it for you. Now, one thing I want to highlight specifically because it matters for fashion more than most categories is returns. Fashion has a higher return rate than almost any other product category because customers are buying without trying things on. And the brands that win in fashion are the ones that make the return process completely painless. And EPROLO actually has a 7-day no questions asked return and exchange policy. There's no restocking fees, super easy exchanges. This means you can offer your customers a confident, trustworthy shopping experience and actually back it up. And this will directly improve your conversion rate and your repeat purchase rate. Okay, this is the section I consider the most important in this entire video because this is what separates stores that make $3,000 a month from stores that make $30,000 a month in fashion. And the difference is the brand. When a customer buys from a brand they trust, they keep coming back. They tell their friends, they post about it. They're not just a transaction, they're a customer. And generic dropshipping stores get one-time buyers, but brands get loyal customers. And EPROLO's custom branding service makes this accessible to anybody. There's no minimum order quantity. You're not ordering 500 hoodies and hoping they sell. You're adding your branding and your logo to all of your products individually. So here's what this actually looks like. So your branding options include custom labels. This is your brand name and logo on a woven or printed label inside the actual garment. Then you have hand tags, the branded card that hangs from the garment with your store's name, logo, and any messaging you want on there. You have Scotch tape, which is branded tape on the actual packaging, gift cards, personalized gift cards inside the package, custom packaging, which is the actual box or the poly mailer with your brand's logos on it. So put all these things together and think about what actually happens when your customer receives their order. They open a branded box, pull out their clothing item with your logo on the tag, on the hanging tags, and everything else. And all of this branded to your store. That's not a dropshipping order. This is a full brand experience. And customers that have brand experiences just like this don't go searching for the same products cheaper on AliExpress. They keep coming back to you time and time again. And because they have no MOQs or minimum order quantities, you can do all of this from your very first order. You don't need to wait till you're big enough to have a brand. You guys can launch a brand from day one. Now there's one program that EPROLO offers that actually takes this a step further. And this is for people that are building a brand from the ground up. And this is EPROLO's worry-free branding program. If you're an influencer, a content creator, or somebody that wants to launch a clothing line under your own name or brand, this is basically built for you. Here's how this all works. So EPROLO knows the biggest barrier to launching a real clothing brand is the combination of upfront costs and inventory risk. Traditionally, if you want to put your logo on your products, you'd have to order thousands of units of your products, store them, and hope they sell later on. But the worry-free branding program eliminates all of that entirely. In fact, over 2,700 brands have already been launched through this program. $0 upfront cost, 7 to 14 days from appellation to launch, and access to those 3,000 new weekly arrivals. And here's what you guys actually get inside the program. For starters, there's no MOQ. You guys don't have to commit to any quantities. You can start selling your branded products one at a time from day one. Then you have free samples. You guys can test the quality and see how your branding actually looks before you sell anything to your customers. You have pre-order fulfillment, meaning customers can pre-order from your brand and EPROLO fulfills the product when it's ready to ship. This lets you launch and take money before you've ever stocked anything. And of course, they always offer fast production on all of their products. 7 to 14 days from approval to having a branded clothing line live on your store. So in case you guys are interested, I'll put the application for that down below. EPROLO will review that for you and help you get everything set up based on your own unique brand. All right, now I want to show you guys how you can actually take action on all of this. Here's exactly how I'd launch a fashion brand on EPROLO today, step by step. Step 1, you're going to sign up for a free account. Go to eprolo.com. I'll put the link down below for you guys, but then you guys can create your free account. There's no credit card required, no subscription or anything like that. Click register, fill in your details, and you guys are ready to go. Then you guys are gonna go ahead and connect your store. Go to integrations and connect your Shopify store, your TikTok shop, or whichever platform you're selling on. If you don't have a store yet, you guys can actually get a free trial on Shopify where you can build a fashion brand live by this afternoon. But one platform connected to EPROLO, that's all you guys need to start. Then you guys are gonna choose your niche and select your products. This is where your business really starts. Don't try to sell everything at once. Go ahead and pick a niche within fashion. So for example, you guys have women's casual like dresses, tops, wide leg pants. Then of course you guys have streetwear, which is hoodies, graphic tees, and cargo pants. This is a Gen Z audience, very high social media variety. So go ahead and choose your niche, go into the EPROLO catalog, filter by category, and select 10 to 20 starting products. Don't overthink this, you guys can always add more. You guys just need enough to look like a real store. You don't need 200 live products from day one. So now we're gonna set up all of our branding. Go to the branding section and set up your custom label, hang tag, and packaging options. This is what's gonna make your store feel like a real brand from that very first order. Fill in your logo, your brand name, approve the sample, and you're all set. Everything ships branded from this point forward. Then of course you guys need to price all of your products. For fashion dropshipping, you're typically aiming for a 2.5 to 3x markup on your supplier costs. So for example, if a dress costs $12 on EPROLO, you're pricing it at $30 to $36 retail. This gives you margin to cover transactional fees and leave money for paid marketing if you guys choose to run ads. And make sure you guys don't go too cheap here. Fashion is actually one of the few categories where price means quality in the consumer's mind. So a $12 dress you sell for $15 won't convert nearly as well as that same dress for $34.99 on a well-branded store. And then finally, you guys are gonna go live and start creating content around your brand. So go ahead and publish your products, check everything on mobile because that's where most of your buyers are gonna be. Make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile, which brings me to the most important part of actually growing this. A great supplier and a branded store is only half the equation. The other half is getting people to actually see it. And in 2026, fashion is one of the best niches for organic marketing. Here's the exact playbook I'd follow. So you want to start on TikTok and TikTok Shop. This is going to be your primary channel because fashion is TikTok's top performing category. The try on hauls, the outfit of the days, the styling 3 different wave videos, those are all what's currently working right now. They work and they drive direct sales, especially if you're already connected to TikTok Shop. And you don't need a huge following to start this. A single video can reach millions of people on the platform because the algorithm rewards content, not your follower count. So either order these products yourself or send them to an influencer and film yourself wearing these products, talking about them, styling them with other products, opening up the boxes, because that unboxing content is the fastest way to build trust. Because over 47% of TikTok users last year said they bought a product after seeing it in a video. And 67% said they were inspired to buy something after seeing it on the platform. So that right there is your #1 free traffic source. But Instagram is where you build the actual aesthetic of your brand. Outfit posts, brand mood boards, lifestyle photography. Your EPROLO product images are a very good starting point. But the brands that are winning at this are the ones shooting their own custom content. So wear these products yourself or send them to somebody that will and film them in real environments. People can identify AI slop from a mile away now. And reels get distributed beyond your actual follower base. So if you guys post consistently in your niche, you're gonna build a very loyal following that keeps coming back every single launch. And then of course, Pinterest is one of the most underrated platforms for fashion because Pinterest is a search engine for visual inspiration. People go on Pinterest when they're looking for outfit ideas or just overall style inspiration. And if your brand's content is on Pinterest, you're gonna get free traffic for years to come. So set up your account, pin your product images, create custom outfit boards, and let this compound over time. But then you have email and SMS marketing. Once you're getting customers, you want to capture their contact information and market to them directly. You guys can do sale announcements, new arrivals, or anything that fits. But these are people that are already warmed up to your brand because they bought from you before, so they'll keep coming back to buy from you again and again. They already trust your brand. So fashion is a visual category, and your content is your marketing. You don't need a massive ad budget to start. You just need consistent, clean looking content of people wearing your products. So that's the complete guide. Why fashion dropshipping is one of the biggest opportunities in e-commerce right now, and why I'd use EPROLO to get all this set up myself from the ground up. And everything I showed you today is free to start. EPROLO doesn't charge a monthly fee. You can get your store connected, some branded products uploaded to it, and start running ads by this weekend. So in case you're interested, the link for all of this is down below. And if you found this useful, drop a comment down below and let me know what kind of fashion products you guys plan on selling. And if you want more content just like this, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.